is pistol height. I'm dope on the floor and I'm magic on the mic. Now why would I ever stop doing this? With others making records that just don't hit. I toured around the world, from London to the Bay. It's hammer go, hammer empty, hammer yo, hammer in the